Just hanging out. That's okay, yeah. You're not gonna see it on the camera, but I saw like some shadow. It looked like a tail. And sure enough, there's a fish right here. It's a tiny bluegill. Just kind of hanging out. I don't know if he sees me or not. Drop that mealworm right by him. Not looking too interested, honestly. Oh. Oh my God, that's a little odd. Come here, buddy. So I didn't catch a fish, but sure enough, I got a newt. God, this guy is cool. Look at that. Latched right onto that little mealworm I dropped down there. Look at this guy. Super cool. That guy is sweet looking. We're gonna let him go. Here you go, buddy. Back in the water. Those guys always seem to be out, no matter what temperature it is. I remember catching one ice fishing. I had him on a tip up, and I pulled it up at the end. Sure enough, I had a newt on the end of my line. Well, I can say we've caught something today.